Effects in Illustrator give you the ability to manipulate shapes quickly and easily. You can use them to apply a drop shadow, warp artwork, and a whole lot more. Using the lion artwork in this practice file, you'll see how to apply effects and experiment with variations. You'll start by applying an effect to artwork. So select the selection tool in the Tools panel on the left and click the pink circle behind the lion in the top row. Now to apply an effect to artwork in the Properties panel, click the Effect option to see the effect menu. Then, in this case, choose Distort and Transform, and then Pucker and Bloat. In the dialog box that opens, select Preview if it's not already selected so you can see the artwork change. And if the dialog box is covering the artwork, you can drag it by the title bar at the top to move it out of the way. Drag this slider left and right to see how it changes the circle. Dragging to the left puckers the shape and dragging to the right bloats it. When you think it looks good, click OK. Now you'll try a different effect on some other artwork. Click to select this blue circle in the bottom row. To make this circle easier to see against the background, you can apply different effects like a glow or a drop shadow. With the shape selected in the Properties panel, click the Effect option to see the Effect menu. Then choose Stylize, and you should see the drop shadow option. That's an effect a lot of us will use. But in this case, you'll apply Outer Glow because the color of the artwork is a little darker. So choose Outer Glow. In the dialog box that appears, you can change the color of the glow around the shape and the amount of glow. To change the color, click the Color box to open the color picker. In the color picker, drag in the color spectrum bar here and choose a color, maybe a blue. Then click in the color field to select the exact color you want. You can see the color you selected here. To apply the color, click OK. To see the change, select Preview. Then try changing the opacity and also the blur. When you think it looks good, click OK. Once an effect is applied, you can always edit that effect in the Properties panel. With this shape still selected, you'll see the Outer Glow effect listed in the Appearance section of the panel here. Click Outer Glow to edit the effect properties. Try changing some of the options again and see what happens. Again, make sure that Preview is selected so you can see the changes. When you think it looks good, click OK. Effects in Illustrator give you a wide variety of creative options for your artwork. Try experimenting with different effects to get a sense of all the distinctive ways it can impact your content.